Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You probably clicked this wanting to see the panel footage. We'll get to that in a second. I just figured I'd give you a real quick explanation as to exactly what this panel is before I just like randomly show you loads of bits of footage. So this week or this weekend I attended Summer in the City, which is a YouTube convention in London, and it was so much fun. I've been to so many different conventions and Summer in the City has by far been my favourite. I was a featured creator there. I did a true crime panel, which is what you're about to see. I did a meet and greet. It was just the most insane experience of my life. I met so many incredible YouTubers who I like, never thought I'd meet. I hung out with so many amazing YouTubers. I had the best weekend ever. You can probably hear it in my voice that I'm paying for it now. It was just so much fun. There will be a very mediocre vlog coming up at some point this week, probably Friday, so keep your eye out for that. But I figured I'd do a separate video with the panel footage. Now our panel in total was 50 minutes long. It was me and the UK True Crime Gang, so me, Eleanor Neale, Joshua Miles and Caitlin Rose, and we did a panel and we just basically, I moderated it, so I asked questions and then we opened up to the audience, and I've got really itchy nose. Oh. And it was really good. I was so nervous. We were all so nervous. It was terrifying, but I think it went really well, if I do say so myself. So this is just about 15 minutes of footage, and my friend Chloe very kindly filmed it for me. I didn't think it was fair to ask her to record like the entire thing so that she can't enjoy it herself. So that's what this is, and I hope you enjoy.
Have always been interested in true crime. Now you've got people like Zac Efron playing a serial killer, and it's like so many people already know Zac Efron from like High School Musical and whatever else he's doing. Yeah, so then when you find out that he's in another movie, you then watch that, and then you're suddenly interested in true crime, serial killers. So yeah, I feel like it's a lot more, like people talk about their interest in true crime a lot more now. Like, have you seen those tweets where it's like, am I the only one that's so interested in murder? I'm like, no. I've got a full channel about that.
I think as well, because the world's quite a dark place at the moment, like all the news is very like negative and stuff, I think people like to learn about true crime just to kind of protect themselves. Oh, and then that's why I find it really fascinating, because I sort of feel like if I learn about all this, then it won't happen to me.
Missing persons cases. Yeah, I just learned so much from the missing persons cases that I covered. Like, this is going to sound kind of bad, but sometimes on nights out, if your friend gets a bit too drunk, you might just put them in a taxi home, mightn't you? But ever since I've started covering cases, I've realised like just what can happen if you do that. So you always get home with your friend. If you take anything from this panel, don't send your drunk friends home by themselves.
I feel like murder in itself is such an abstract concept to a lot of us, because it's not something that tends to happen like in our... I mean, yeah. But like to people we know, it just seems it's like always someone in town, or it's like, do you know what I mean? It's so abstract, which is why it's so interesting, I think.
Yeah, I mean, I've never been... I'm just going to step back a bit. I have never been personally affected by true crime. I don't know about you guys, I know it's a bit of a touchy subject, but I feel like, again, that's my interest in it, because it is so alien to me and I've never been through it.
The second that I realised it was a type of content that other people would be interested in online, I was like, that's it, I know what I want to do.
Like, literally, clothes covered in blood in the apartment, and police found them. Like, nowadays, if police found them, the killer would be caught straight away. It's mad. It is mad.
What was the question? I can't remember.
I'll stop saying mad as well.
Favourite kind of cases cover. I like serial killer cases, which is my thing. I do like the one serial killer case every month, and of course it's immediately demonetized. That's a whole other thing. But I find that so interesting. I sort of do that knowing that I'm not going to earn any money from it. It's just my fun thing that I like to talk about. Something that I've always, like, even before it was like true crime, the first actual like person that piqued my interest was Jeffrey Dahmer. That's always been like my #1 case that fascinates me. So that's kind of like my thing, but also the history videos as well.
I was going to say, I bet
started in history. It's not really so much true crime. Some of it is, some of it isn't. But I think
it's nicely though.
yeah, I think so. I think it's really interesting. What kind of cases we'll never cover?
Malin McCann.
I covered that.
I think personally, any of the large cases that really have been covered plenty of times, there's no new information in them. There isn't really a new.
Can't provide a fresh
No.
perspective to it or
So
anything.
things like John Ramsey, everyone really like. I think people are just fascinated by the big, complicated cases like that, but there's no new information, and I can't personally pose a new perspective on it. I can't offer a new opinion.
Yeah, nothing more that I can do besides research it.
There's
You know?
plenty of like amazing videos out there on the cases, but I could probably just refer someone to an already made video like one YouTube.
Also, people on the internet are insane. They usually talk about like a really well-known case. People just go crazy, and I get more hate on that McCann video than any other video, and it's insane. It's just like I'm just presenting the facts. All true crime videos are is literally finding the facts and telling you guys them. Like that's it. So much hate on McCann on.
It's so controversial, and everyone has their own opinions and theories of what happened.
Which we're not going to talk about, by the way.
Yeah. But it's like that with all the big cases. There's so many conspiracy theories that are so crazy, and people wholeheartedly believe them. And it's, are you okay?
Things, I'll never cover those. Like I feel like I have such a strong like opinion on guns, and like they're bad. I can't talk about something like that without just being really like personal about it. And in my videos, I tend to stay like really like impersonal. I don't ever talk really about my own opinions. So in a case like that, it's so controversial as well. And then you get all like the fangirls. There's actual fangirls that like it's ridiculous.
I think as well, if they're super recent, like if the case is currently still open, you do updates, and I like that about your channel.
Occasionally.
Yeah.
Good fun.
I think I panic myself.
Well, I mean, when I'm actually presenting a case, to keep it respectful, I will not discuss conspiracy theories or like anything. So I try to put myself in the shoes of family and friends of the victims and see what if I saw a stranger talking about my loved one on the internet and they've been injured or killed, or you know, how would I be affected by what I'm saying? If that makes sense. So I try and put myself in their shoes, and I go through my research. I'm like, this is disrespectful, I'll not say that. You know what I mean? And if there's conspiracy theories, which there are always conspiracy theories, and people are always discussing conspiracy theories in the comments. They're crazy.
People on the internet are actually
Did you
insane.
see the one where they say that John Ramsey is actually Katy Perry?
Yes. There are people in the world who genuinely believe that. It's ridiculous. But,
Yeah.
okay. We've only got about 10 minutes left. We're going to try to audience questions. So we're going to get deep. Let's talk about hate. Do you guys get like lots of hate on your channel?
Yes.
I get called D-Tech Eleanor Neale all the time. What?
I find comments funny when they're saying about, one of the other persons on this table, someone has already covered this case.
Yeah.
What, are you just copying them?
Yeah. Yeah.
I got that once. Do you remember when you covered a case and I did it like 2 days later, and like I've been planning it for weeks.
Yeah, but it takes so long behind the scenes to plan, and obviously we don't let each other know every single case that we're going to cover.
We don't have a group chat. We don't group chat. We don't talk about our case.
So yeah, me and Georgia have been researching this case for weeks before.
And they've been in the news recently, haven't they?
Yeah.
There's no people requesting it.
There was like an update in it or something.
Yeah.
And then I uploaded mine, and George's was due to go 2 days later. And obviously
so
we didn't
much.
know that. And then George's went up, and it was chaos.
And I got so much hate for it. People like, I can't believe you do that.
There's not a video that long would take you 2 days.
It was like a 40-minute long video, I think. And I was like, Jesus, I think I went that fast.
There's a lot more in it than me.
I was
There's
going to
not
say,
like
it's not like she's just like copying out what you said in your video anyway. She's not just using your video as the main source, so they're going to be different in some aspects.
I got a message a few weeks ago from somebody who was like, I'm starting a true crime YouTube channel, and I was like, cool. She's like, oh, I'm going to do a video on this case. Like, can I use your video as like a source? I was like, no. My video is not like a
Can I
source.
just say it all, word for word?
Just copy my script, word for word, go for it. But and I was like, my source is Because like, if I get something wrong and then you're like parroting that back again.
I always encourage everyone to do their own research and to read the sources, because there's things that I will miss out doing my research, and there's things that I might get wrong.
Yeah, I know I get a lot of things wrong in my videos, but I say this like 5 times in every single video. I'm like, some sources say, or this particular source says that, because I know that it might not be true.
I say allegedly a lot.
I only use that one. But yeah, some sources say is my easy way of saying, might not be true.
Sometimes I call them out as well. Like, BBC News says this, and if it's wrong, it's like,
And Wikipedia is quite a good place to start, like when you're researching. But don't take Wikipedia at its word. If you go down the bottom of the Wikipedia page, there's all of your Wikipedia sources as well. And that's the top tip. What do you know? I feel like
It's
we're
good
way
for
off
you, a
the
little
page.
summary of the case. Like if you want to get a good idea of the case like straight away, it's all there on the timeline.
But don't trust Wikipedia. Don't trust it.
True crime YouTube, top tip.
But
oh, there's a microphone.
there's a nice.
Oh, can we just say that we don't want to discuss specific cases in this Q&A.
I've got another one.
Sorry. I'm really sorry.
We'll come back to
What
you.
case was it about?
I was just going to say, what's the most interesting one you've covered?
Oh,
Oh no, that's fine. We really like asking us what we think about.
Yeah, we just know that like what do you think happened to Madeline McCann, you know what I mean? Most interesting case was covered, is that what you said? Yeah, I don't want to say. I think I'm in the ring.
I'll start. I always have to say parts of this. A couple of cases about a woman called Cindy James, and she was basically reported every day, like, I think it was over 2 years, that she was being stalked. And she called the police every day, I'm being stalked, guys, outside my house, he's in my house, he's calling me. So the police would turn up, and for like years, they never found a thing. And then she starts being found, like, tied in like ditches at the side of the road, and the police would turn up, she was like, it was my stalker, and then the police would like look into it and found no evidence. Till eventually one day she's found tied up in the back garden of like an abandoned house, and she's died from an overdose, but she's like hog-tied. And to this day, the police actually did it to herself, but also she was consistent for years, she was being stalked. It's a very interesting case. Cindy James, pick up.
The one that everyone's going to know it, I'm pretty sure, but the one that honestly has stuck with me ever since I heard of it quite early on is the Lee Sanford and Chris Kramer's case, the 2 hikers that disappeared. That just so baffles me. I was saying this to you yesterday, there was no like normal, sane answer to it. Like if any truth came out about it, I feel like there's nothing.
Nothing makes sense.
No, there's so many different. It's just I can't even. Sorry, it gets me.
One that really interests me is the Yuba County 5, which is these 5 people that, well, I don't know off the top of my head, to be honest, because I don't have a good memory, I'm like a goldfish, but it's just such a really, really interesting case. YouTube it when you get back, but it's just, I don't think I have, you know.
Oh, do.
Alright, come in tomorrow, guys. Your turn.
On my turn. H.H. Holmes.
I'll act.
H.H. Holmes.
The video, that was so
Yeah.
good. So good.
Big serial killer. Time ago, over 100 years ago, 130 years ago, I want to say, in America somewhere. And he built this big, massive castle, hotel thing, with the sole purpose of killing people in it, and it's mad. It's got like, I think it had 28 rooms or 38 rooms, and there was like one with hot irons in the wall, so you'd go in and like cook like yeah, there'd be rooms with no doors, so like you'd fall in through a trapdoor and just die in there, and like rooms that would lock and then never unlock, like mad.
What American Horror Story Hotel is based on.
Yeah.
Anyway, anybody's ever seen that? Next question. Who's next? Who's next? Maybe right here.
I don't even know if like reveal to answer it, but can you all like give us like an idea of a case that you're gonna do soon?
Which is probably the biggest missing persons case of all time. It's like a historical one, so I find it really interesting because I think it's a big case.
I'm currently researching a couple of Jane Does and some specific psychological case studies as well. Some like strange imageries and things that make people go a bit strange. Yeah.
At the moment, I'm just researching cases from countries that aren't typically covered. So like Far East kind of thing. Because you always get all the Western world cases all the time because it's easy to find the information about. But people reach out to you from different countries with information, asking, well, saying that they can help translate things, and I'm just trying to delve into more of the foreign cases, if that makes sense.
Love that. I'm really into serial killer cases at the moment. So loads more of those. Sorry, George. But yeah, like I used to do so many serial killer cases, and then because they take so long, and I was trying to get videos out more often, like I kind of took a back seat on that. But now I'm so much more interested in serial killer videos. So yeah, so many more of them.
There is so much information on those.
It's such an interesting case. It's honestly one of the most fascinating things. And the movie Zodiac is one of the best movies of all time. Like, point blank, so good. That case, do you guys know much about?
Yeah. I know a lot of the conspiracy theories because people talk about it on comments all the time. And I didn't even cover the case. I don't even get why.
Why was he called the Zodiac Killer?
Because he would leave, I think this might be wrong, but he would leave like marks at the scene, so he'd draw like a circle across through it. For some reason that is that something to do with Zodiac. You do like all the astrology stuff like that.
Not star signs.
Yeah, I actually think that case will be solved pretty soon. I think they solved the Golden State Killer, they're solving so many cases. They do have DNA from Zodiac, but yeah, so I think Zodiac is going to be solved very soon.
I really hope so.
No, I think that's it.
Yeah, thank you everyone for coming. I thought that was
But we're not going to be wandering around, we'll meet you later.
Yeah,
We're literally just wandering around, so